Tell me about your family. My mother's name is Gaurji Lokhande. She is housewife. My father's name is Guru Prasad Lokhande. He is farmer. I have no sister. I have one brother. He is 12 years old. Tell me about your family. My mother's name is Sonutai Lokhande. She is farm worker. My father's name is Nandakeshwar Lokhande. He is tractor driver. I have one sister. She is 2 years old. I have one brother. He is 8 years old. Tell me about your family. My mother's name is Shobha. She is farmer. My father's name is Maruti Lokhande. He is driver. I have one sister. He is